Hey guys, Jatin here with Rock Grow. Today is day 7 LinkedIn automation game where we gonna automate everything on LinkedIn from connection to messages to finding emails, phone number, ATS automation, everything. Well, you guys might have heard about these two terms, hard work and smart work. Hard work is doing everything manually and waiting for the result. Smart work is taking automation into account and then only focusing on the qualified leads. You guys will agree with me on this that time is money and we are losing a lot of money by investing a lot of time by doing everything manually on LinkedIn. Hence, from today onwards, you guys will be saving time and earning money. A quick disclaimer, use LinkedIn automation on your own risk because sometimes it happens that when a beginner get a hold of these automation tools, they start using it so much regressively they end up losing their own LinkedIn account. Hence, use this automation tool at your own risk and use it a bare minimum level. Okay, so let's first understand what are all the automation hacks that we will be discussing today. First one we have is career guidance. Gone were the days when your parents or uncles decide your future. No, I will share some tools with you to run career assessment tests to evaluate who you actually are. Second, we have LinkedIn profile optimization. Facing issue in ranking your LinkedIn profile or improving the graph of LinkedIn profile views, then today this will no longer be an issue. Third, we have is connection game automation. Spending days to manually send connect requests, that too without a personal note, is really a time consuming task and not fruitful. Let's automate this as well, sending connection request with a personalized note. Fourth we have is outbound game. How to send out message sequences to your prospects automatically using automation and keep on sending it till the time they reply back to you is what we're gonna learn at outbound response. Next we have is search restriction. That is pretty much common. What generally happen when you do a lot of searches on LinkedIn, LinkedIn gonna say that you know what, buy LinkedIn premium from us if you want to do this much of searches. Hence we're gonna opt for an alternate way to do some searches on LinkedIn. Fourth, we have post responses waiting for contact details. What generally happens whenever we find a relevant job post on LinkedIn, we apply it using LinkedIn Easy Apply. And what we see that along with us, 300 other applicants have already applied, hence a huge competition. Hence, we're gonna learn how to get recruiter's email ID or any of your end client email ID and phone numbers to contact them as a follow-up and remind them that you know what, I have sent you my resume. Why not you have a look at it? Do you face any difficulty while getting my resume or something like this? Next we have is daily content posts. What generally happens, we guys do not have enough time during weekdays to post on LinkedIn, but we want to make our LinkedIn profile as engaging as possible. Hence we're gonna take help of content automation post as well. Last one we have is how to make our resume as per the ATS standard applicant tracking system and also cover letter that speaks. All of this we're gonna learn today. So before we start ahead, a quick disclaimer, no need to pause the video and note down the tool name because I will be sharing this Word file video which contains all the tools that I will be sharing with you guys along with the links. And not only the tools I will be sharing, some of the tools I've already included in this Word file that I will not be discussing, so that you should download this Word file. Again, this file is password protected. That password I will be sharing during this video presentation. So first one we have is career guidance. For this, we spend a lot in terms of paying to the career consultant or spending so much time in an activity that we usually do not like to do. Hence, I will be sharing with you guys some tools, some highly reputed tools that you can use to run some career assessment tests. Let's have a look. So these are three other tools basically which we're gonna use. First one is the tool by Minnesota State University. All you need to do is to assess your skills. You need to go to assess yourself and then take an assessment. If you would like, you can learn more about it by clicking on these links. And then you need to go career wise interest assessment. You can go with others as well if you would like. All of this is free. And then you need to click on get started, and then based on their questionnaire they're gonna provide you a report which gonna help you to understand who you actually are. If you are still not impressed with them, then you can try using this tool as well by TU Careers. They are into this only field, so you can just click on start career test, fill up this form, and then have your career analysis test being done by this company. Again, this is a private company. It may happen post you submit your career assessment and you will get a report, and then you may start getting basically calls from them asking how does this goes, or would you like to have a premium services as well. And then I found this video on internet very much helpful by Himesh Madan, how to identify your talent, where he has used this particular table to understand, to basically differentiate between a passion and a hobby. So this is also very much recommendable by me. Again, I have requested Himesh if he can give link me to this video of English language. So this video is in the Hindi audio, so I've requested him if we can do this in the English. So let's wait. If he respond to me, I will make a English version of this video. Otherwise, if he already having that, then I will link it up in the description section. LinkedIn profile analysis. Well, this takes a lot of time. One thing that really sucks is post optimizing the profile. We face a lot of difficulty in terms of getting our profile and the very first page of LinkedIn search. And also the profile viewing graph keep on declining. Not sure why. Also, the main reason that we optimize our profile basically for job seekers or someone who is in the industry to generate leads is to generate inbound leads. But we do not get enough inbound leads. What's the reason? How to basically make our LinkedIn profile the best is what we're gonna learn now. So guys, when it comes to LinkedIn profile analysis, in order to understand how to rank your profile, how to improve your visibility, how to generate inbound leads from your clients, resume word should be your first choice. Again, this is a paid tool. If you want free access for lifetime, then follow the link in the PDF file. Pretty easy to use it. Click on this LinkedIn preview option, and then this tool will ask you to upload a PDF version of your LinkedIn profile. All you need to do is to visit your LinkedIn profile, click on more, and then save to PDF. Once you do that, a PDF file will get downloaded. You need to upload it here, and then this tool gonna run several tests on your LinkedIn profile and then gonna give you a score based on your LinkedIn profile performance. Not only the score, you will also get the parameters where you can work on in order to improve your LinkedIn game. So pretty easy and pretty fast as well. Here you can see all the elements uh, you know according to which this is basically analyzing your LinkedIn profile. Done. And then here you can go. I have around 78 score out of 100 for my LinkedIn profile. In order to improve and go to this 90s line, I need to work on these factors. Okay. Also here you can see in the left hand side all the parameters has been provided. This is the overall score and then the split. How's your basically headline is ranking. My headline is like 9 score. I can still improve it because I want a 10 score. And then my LinkedIn summary is 10. Why? Because I optimized my LinkedIn summary as per the job description that I always told to you people. Please optimize it. If your goal is to get job, optimize it based on the job description. Okay, and then the other parameters you can explore post this presentation. Guys, this is a link, the affiliate link, which will give you free lifetime access to this tool. Again, this link is present in the PDF file as well, that is clickable. Okay guys, next we have content and messages automation. Let's try to analyze what is the current scenario. So first of all, we need to understand who is our target audience and then set a LinkedIn search filter accordingly. Okay, second, we need to manually send connect request to each and every person by adding a personalized note. That is pretty much time consuming. Today, let's understand first how you can automate sending connection request with personalized note, and second, how you can automate sending messages to all your connections, to all your first degree connections automatically. Let's understand how to do this. So guys, your first choice when it comes to sending out automatically connect request and messages should be LinkedIn Helper. Pretty much easy to use this tool, but there is one restriction that this tool is paid. You can only use this tool free of cost for 14 days. If you want a lifetime access of tools like this, then I would suggest you people to subscribe to my pro LinkedIn workshop where I unpacked all the tools which are free of cost and can do the similar functionality just like this paid tool. Okay, having said that guys, pretty much easy to use this tool. All you need to do is to click here and download and try for free. Once you do that, a zip file will get downloaded in your system, which you need to basically upload here. So here, if you click here, click to download, the zip file will get downloaded. All you need to do is to go to more and then extensions. Once you are there, then you need to click on load unpacked, and then you need to basically upload the zip file here. Once you do that, extension like this will be appear, that is for LinkedIn Helper. Okay, so once you do that, once you basically install LinkedIn Helper, then a LinkedIn Helper icon will appear here. So second thing is to frame a search strategy so that all the relevant contacts to whom you would like to get connected with should appear here. So I am logged into my client's profile who is a trademark attorney, and he want to connect with people who is into trademark. So I set the filter trademark, current location is India, and second degree connection. And then all I need to do is to click on this. Here you can see LinkedIn Helper, drag me. And then once you click on collect, what eventually will happen, this tool will start collecting all the LinkedIn profiles, based on this URL, all the 10 pages which is currently here. This gonna pick the LinkedIn profile of each and everyone. Already it has collected around 60 connects. Okay, then once you are done collecting, and then you need to do the second step is to add a personalized note. I already added one. Let me show you. Again, your personalized note should not be something that you are selling to the second person or you are trying to get a job from the recruiter. It should be a generalized one. As you can see, I saw we have a professional experience, interest in the trademark field. Would be a pleasure to connect and learn from your experience. No selling, only trying to connect to learn from their experiences. Also, one thing, in order to personalize it, you can use this bracket function to basically include something. For example, here if you use this function, then the first name of that person will be automatically picked by this tool. Also, you can add other things like company as well. For example, I saw you are working with, and then you can insert this filter company, and it gonna automatically pick the company name from the LinkedIn profile and gonna add in the personalized note. This is how you can basically make your LinkedIn connect request personalized and automatic as well. So pretty much easy to send out the connect request. All you need to do is to go here, invite, and then you need to click start inviting. What will happen in queue, 60 connects are there. It will gonna send the connect request to each and every 60 of the profiles. Here you can see it is trying to open up the first profile, that is for Rahul Gupta, and then this tool gonna send out the connect request. Here you can see post the LinkedIn profile is open. It gonna spend some time on the LinkedIn profile, and then only it gonna send out the connect request, so that LinkedIn should think that this is a genuine person, a human is trying to basically explore the LinkedIn profile before sending out the connect request. So you can see it is spending some time on the LinkedIn profile before sending out the connect request. What you can do basically in the background, it is doing all these processes. You can either minimize the window or can switch the tab to do your next work. You can see a timer has been set up, after which it gonna send out the connect. Click on the connect, and then after 3 seconds gonna click on the add the note option, and then it gonna add the entire note that we have already set in the message section. Here you can see the entire note will get typed up, and then it gonna send out the connect request to Rahul. This is how you can basically personalized sending connect request automatically. Again, if you are a beginner, please do not get overwhelmed by this tool and sending connect request like 50 to 60 per day. Your LinkedIn profile may get banned. Try sending out, let's say, 15 to 20 per day, and then gradually increase it till 40 only. Do not go beyond it. I only send out around 10 to 15 per day because I don't want to get my LinkedIn profile get blocked. Okay, here you can see for every process there is a timer, so that LinkedIn should think this is actually a human being who is performing these sort of searches. Once you are done with all the 60 profiles, basically stop profile inviting. Second function that you can utilize of this tool is to message to first connections. For example, you want to send out messages to all of your HR people who are basically in your connection list that currently you are looking for a job search. You can also filter down your basically search based on the company at which you are currently interested to explore the opportunity. So here you can see basically you can restrict it with respect to the company, and you can also restrict it to people. Click on people, and then restrict it based on your dream company. Let's say current companies, Accenture, TCS. and then the location. Let's say Greater Bangalore. Okay, and then the connection, all your first degree connections. First degree means who all in your connection list. Second degree means who all are your mutual connections. So currently this person has only one person from Accenture in his profile. So basically for in your case maybe a list is big one. So all you need to do is to click on this collect. On the similar line, this gonna basically collect all the basically people on the LinkedIn profile, and then you can basically create a message and then broadcast it to all the people in your first degree connection, all the HRs. Easy peasy. So let's move on to the next automation hack. So guys, let's understand the worth of this particular slide, that is LinkedIn Google search. So what happened sometimes, guys, that LinkedIn restrict our searches. Basically it says that you are a power searcher and you can't do more searches. Whenever we perform a lot of searches on LinkedIn, it's gonna restrict our account. It's gonna say that buy the LinkedIn premium to basically do more searches. So we have an alternate. We can do some random Google searches to basically find out the concerned persons on Google. Let's figure out how. So guys, you need to frame this sort of a search strategy. You need to add here site. So what this gonna do, this gonna bring all the people who are in India, that is IN means LinkedIn India, and then in title they should be HR, and then in text should be Amazon and India. What this mean? People who are HR, who are working with Amazon and in India, gonna pop up here in the Google search. If your LinkedIn profile is restricted and you cannot perform more searches, then you can use Google searches. Again, in my pro automation class, I teach you how you can scrap all this data in the Excel and can automate sending them connect request. Everything which is pro, by this I mean this is more important for corporate clients, because this basic automation class is restricted for job seekers and students. That's why I'm not discussing the same here. So guys, to understand the worth of this particular slide, let's imagine a scenario. What generally happens whenever we apply for a job online, along with us 300 500 other applicants usually used to apply. Hence we need to take a holistic approach in order to get the HR interview call. To do that, watch day 5, get 100% HR interview call to understand how you can make company specific presentation, cover letter, ATS resume in order to get HR's interview call. But still sometime what happens that our resume may get skipped and HR does not get the time to review it because there are a lot of job applications. What you can do, you can get their professional email ID and their phone numbers for follow-ups. You can write them additional emails. You can call them and ask them, did you get the chance to review my resume? Let's see how. So guys, in order to get professional email ID of anyone, could be HRs, could be your client like CEOs, CTOs, could be anyone. Download the Chrome extension of scrap.io. Here you have Chrome extension already installed because I already have it. Here you can see. But if you have just the LinkedIn profile of anyone, you can easily find a basically email ID. Let's see how. All you need to do is to click on this icon, scrap.io, and then this gonna pull up the email ID of that concerned person. Pretty easy. Let's see how to get phone numbers as well.
Second promise that I made is to provide you a extension that can provide you phone numbers. Okay. In order to get that, all you need to do is to go to the Easy Reads Chrome extension. So you need Chrome extension of both the tools, Scrap.io and Easy Reads. You click on here, install extension, and then once you are there, you will be redirected to Chrome Store, where you can see an option to add to Chrome. I already have it, so I will get an option to remove from Chrome. So in order to get the mobile number, all you need to do is to click on this extension. This is the extension of Mr. E, and then you will see here the mobile number, because this is in Turkey, and that's why I got the mobile number as +90. So this is how you can basically get the cell phone number of anyone. This is not free. This provides you free of cost credits up to 5. So 5 credits you can use free of cost. So you need to be very choosy which sort of profiles you want, be the mobile number, the cell number of that concerned person. So now let's move ahead.
So guys, competition when it comes to getting jobs is increasing day by day. Industries are demanding ATS enabled resume and cover letter that speaks in order to basically get the HR interview call and to clear that interview as well. Because for every job, for a single vacancy, more than 500 or more candidates used to apply, and it's pretty much hard for HRs to evaluate each and every resume manually, so they take help of technology. The technology is named as applicant tracking system. But as a layman like me, how I can understand whether my resume is ATS compatible or not is what we're gonna learn today. Okay guys, when it comes to basically checking whether your resume is ATS compatible or ATS standard enabled or not. ATS compatible is very much easy. All you need is to have a Word file, and then you do not use graphics, and then there are other factors as well that you can review by clicking on the video in the I button and in the description as well. At this point of time, we're gonna understand how to understand your ATS score before sending out your resume. So switch to this tool, jobscan.io, and then you need to scroll down by clicking by basically signing in into your account. So this tool gonna provide you two options. One is upload your resume and then paste the job description. What it mean by this? So it gonna basically ATS score is usually calculated based on the keywords that you have used in your resume with respect to the job description, and second, ATS score is calculated based on the facts and figures that you have shown in your resume. So first of all, to get the job description, you need to copy and paste a job description which is of your interest, like this. I have already pasted it. This is a job description for SDR profile, that is sales development role. Okay, so you need to copy this job description and then gonna paste it here, and here you can upload your resume. And first of all, upload keywords. Basically you need to optimize your resume based on the keyword that has been used in this particular job profile. Post you think that you have already optimized your resume based on all the keywords being used in this job description, then only upload your resume and then check whether how much score you get. First of all, let's analyze what all keywords as per them you should be optimize your resume. So for that, you need to basically delete all the extra text from the job description and only keep the text which talks about the keywords. Because this is a profile of sales, then all the keyword related to sales like SDR, sales development role, front end of the sales cycle, the pre-sales team, so these are all the important keywords. So depending on your own domain, the keywords could vary. So what I did in the background, I extracted around 41 keywords from this job description. What I want to do, I'm going to check the relevancy of these keywords, whether is it worth to optimize my resume based on these keywords or not. So let's see how much score will I get on the ATS if I optimize my resume based on these keywords.
So here you can see we are getting a match rate of around 88%. So if we basically optimize our resume with respect to including all these keywords in our resume, then we're gonna get an ATS score of around 88%. This is way more than what is required. So this is the magic of this tool. First, you can use it to check the relevancy of your keyword that you have picked. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna optimize a resume with respect to these particular keywords, and then we're gonna again run a recheck. But at this time, we're gonna copy the content of a resume and then gonna paste it with respect to the job description, and then it gonna basically analyze the job description with respect to our ATS compatible resume, and then gonna give us a score whether this is basically something which is having a good ATS score or not.
We have is schedule content on LinkedIn. So let's understand the worth of this slide first. What happens sometimes, in weekdays, we do not get enough time to basically post on LinkedIn. Second, we do not get enough ideas what to post on LinkedIn, but we want to keep our LinkedIn profile as active as possible. So what you can do is during weekends, you can schedule content on LinkedIn for rest of the week, and the tool gonna paste the content automatically on your behalf. Let's see how. Right, this is the tool of your interest, that is publer.io. That is a content posting automation tool where it have access to so many social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. All you need to do is to basically authenticate your account with this tool, and then you need to go to the create section. And for example, currently it is 10:27. Let's say I want to post a content for tomorrow. Okay, Let's see, I want to post the content for tomorrow. I need to click on this schedule. I also can add basically, medias as well, and I can also upload for bulk. All of this you can explore on your own. The main function is scheduling. For example, I want to schedule it for 11:33 tomorrow. So I click on this schedule and this post gonna schedule for tomorrow. Pretty much easy. Again, this is a paid tool. If you want its free access, then I have the affiliate link for you where I will earn some commission and you will get this tool free of cost. So guys, this is the affiliate link which will give you free lifetime access to Publer. Again, this link is already present in the PDF file as well. So guys, this is about the automation tools. If you want to explore more automation tools, then you can switch to that PDF file where I added so many others automation tools as well. So the reason I have added them there only and I'm not elaborating them here, because I want you to download that PDF file as well, password of which I will share with you very soon. Okay, so next we have is advanced automation. This is something which I cover in my pro automation classes. So my target audience for these type of classes are basically someone who is in the corporate sector, wants to generate leads for their business, and second is basically placement head. Although job seekers can also use this, but not at that much extent. Let's see what all I will be covering. So guys, the tool that we discussed, LinkedIn Helper, is a paid tool. Give you 14 days free access. But I know some of the tools that can give you lifetime access to send out automatically connect requests and messages that I have been using personally as well. Second is free sales navigator alternate. This is especially for the sales people who want to generate unlimited leads using LinkedIn, but they don't want to spend so much on sales navigator and premium. You can get everything for free. Second is AI enabled client trait analysis. What happen if we are basically going for a meeting with a senior folk, like let's say Kunal Shah or anyone like that. So we want to be ourselves make pretty much prepared. So you have some tools which gonna take the LinkedIn profile link and then gonna tell you everything about that person. Just like we extracted email ID, phone number, we can extract their traits as well. Fourth we have is unlimited searches on LinkedIn, just like Sales Navigator. Fifth, when you have data management. Data management is very much important. Data is going to play a very crucial role in your success. Hence, you must have a tool to manage all your data. Next, we have extract data post from LinkedIn. So for example, someone asks, someone has on a post, someone has, let's say, thousands of email IDs being, commented, and you want to extract it. How you can scrap it? You can scrap it using tools very easily in just minutes. Remember, I prepared one Excel sheet where I shared all the WebHub content game from 2013 to 2020. Let me show you that as well. So guys, this is the Excel sheet that I'm talking about, where you can see I have extracted all the WebHub's basically activity feed. Now who is WebHub? WebHub Sisenti is basically a growth hacker who has a very good name in the industry, and I am considering that you people already know him, otherwise you can LinkedIn search him. Okay, so I basically extracted all his LinkedIn activity, where he started with just 3 likes and 2 comments back in 2013, and it grew like to 806, 1826, 2213, even he hit like 44,000 likes as well. So how he basically grow like this, which sort of content did work for him, which do not, these sort of analysis you can get from this Excel sheet. Again, these sort of analysis, these set of Excel research analysis you can get free of cost in my pro automation classes. So those sort of analysis you can easily get in a minute. I get all these 478 activities in just a minute using that tool. So all those sort of discussion we have in our pro automation classes. Again, you can basically set a chain of follow-up messages. Just like in LinkedIn Helper, you can set only one message sequence to your first degree connections. There are some tools where you can set sequence of messages and keep on messaging them till the time they respond. Everything gonna discussed in pro automation classes. So guys, why to stop there? Why not just take a level step above? So let's imagine a scenario here that you send out a automatic connect request, let's say around 400 connect requests in a week, but then you later realize that the personalized node that you have added is not really working good. The connection rate percentage is really less, and you would like to withdraw all the connection requests. Now doing that manually is a really tough task. Why not to take help of LinkedIn automation to withdraw all those 400 connect requests automatically, and then again add a new personalized note to basically send out the connect request again. Yes, that's possible. Then let's say scrapping LinkedIn profile. You can scrap all your LinkedIn connections in just a minute with their LinkedIn profiles, their name, their email IDs as well, everything. Scrap LinkedIn comments, likes on any post. Let me show you an example here. So guys, recently I posted on LinkedIn that if you want to get the basic automation course free of cost, then drop your email ID in the comment, and then 371 people commented their email ID. Now this sort of a list, this sort of a scrap data I got just in minute using automation. Here you can see the comment has been driven. All I need to do is to just email them just by gathering the email ID from here. Again, this is a tough task, copy pasting the email ID. Again, I know a tool that can basically scrap only the LinkedIn ID and can only the email ID, sorry, and can basically delete all the extra text. Hence would be super easy, would be time saving, hence I would be saving a lot of money as well. So we will not stop only at LinkedIn automation. We're gonna talk about how to do OTP verification online. Sometimes it will happen that we visit a website and they ask for our mobile number that we don't want to give them, our personal number. So we can opt for some other numbers virtually present on the internet to do that OTP verification side of this. If you are someone who is really keen to know who all are visiting your websites, you want to keep a track on their the company name, who all companies visit your website, but to keep a complete track of that is possible. You want to do Instagram automation, Twitter automation, Quora automation, you name it, I'm gonna provide you the tool for that as well. So guys, all of this would be discussed in the paid workshop, where we not only talk about the basic content, the advanced automation content. You will get presentations, worksheets, you will get certificates. Social selling course is going to be a USP of our pro automation classes that you will not find anywhere. We're gonna talk about how to do consultative selling on LinkedIn, the do's and don'ts of social selling, where people used to just pitch in their product services in a very first or second message. We're gonna tell you the exact way through which you can make the other people respond to your messages no matter what. And I'm gonna highlight the don'ts of LinkedIn that you guys are currently doing in order to sell your product services. You will get support, you will get AI enabled tool access to answer all your doubts. All of this in just $299. I think this is a complete refund to your money, the kind of a ROI that I'm trying to basically deliver to you guys. Let me show you what I mean by AI enabled tool to answer all your doubts. So guys, this is basically the help and support section which I prepared. Currently it is available to both basic and pro automation holders, but in the future I'm gonna restrict it to pro automation holders only. So very easy to use this tool. If you have any question around LinkedIn, all you need to do is to type in your question. For example, how to generate leads on LinkedIn. So what this tool gonna do, it gonna pull up all the answers similar to this. For example, right approach to reach out to small SaaS business to help them generate leads through LinkedIn. So for example, I want to learn how to do LinkedIn profile optimization. Let's see what it's gonna bring me today. What makes a great LinkedIn profile? How do I make my LinkedIn profile noticeable to recruiters? What makes LinkedIn profile great? So for every question we have a definite answer. So you have any question, we're gonna cover it. This is our commitment. Ask me anything about LinkedIn and off-campus job. If I can't answer it, then nobody can. As you can see, all you need to do is to scroll down, and then you will get the complete elaboration what makes a LinkedIn profile so much great. Pretty much easy and is helpful. If it's helpful, please click on the thumbs up post you complete the video presentation, and you can explore this tool free of cost as well. Here you can see the complete analysis has been provided. Okay guys, not only this, you will get all of this in just 299 rupees, and I think spending 299 on myself for my professional grooming and to improve my business is worth it. Again, the password to open the PDF file is rockgrow. My promise, if you didn't say wow post watching the pro automation classes, then I will make a complete refund to your money. If you want to explore more about the pro automation classes, pretty much easy, visit my website. Okay guys, let's quickly navigate through the basic and pro workshop content so that you can evaluate which course is the best for you. As per me, for job seekers and students, basic is enough, but for corporate clients and someone who is in the placement head or who want to achieve more success in their career, then pro workshop is your choice. So basic, we all know, career guidance, profile optimization, connection games, social selling, basic social selling, then how to get interview call, hundreds of jobs, thousands of jobs, basic automation. Now after that, everything is for pro, like advanced automation, how to get LinkedIn Premium and Sales Navigator free of cost, chatbot for your query resolution. This is the magic chatbot you guys will be getting. PPTs, worksheets, certificates, email and chat support, social selling complete course you will be getting to basically generate leads for your business, to sell your product services, or maybe to sell your personal branding as well. Okay, so how to get access to it? Here are the two buttons, basic and pro. Let's say that I want to go with the pro workshop. So for basic, you can basically click on the above link. For pro, and the down the below link. So here you will get two options. So I am currently signed in with the basic workshop. So let's see how a sign up process work here. So if you click in here, then you will basically presented with this video. So currently I am running an offer that is COVID free coupon, and you can get this particular course for just $2.99. This is just an introductory coupon that I am giving away to you guys, for which you can easily get this pro workshop in just 299 rupees. Again, this is secured payment option you will be getting. All you need to do is to click, enter your card details, and then hit checkout. A payment page will be presented to you guys, where you need to confirm the payment, and then you will get the access to the course. Pretty much easy. And if you would like to access more about the content of this workshop, then I have a separate page for this as well. Here you can see everything is provided. Basic workshop content has been given here, then pro is given here as well. If you would like to basically earn some trust, then you can contact these testimonials. So everything is hyperlinked. If you click in here, these LinkedIn profile will get open, and you can basically cross verify whether these sessions are worth or not. Having said that, guys, this is all about the workshop basic and pro introduction. If you are someone who is really want to achieve success in their career, then pro workshop is highly recommendable. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Namaskar.